What is happening? What the hell? Nice drive! Hey, fuck, fool!
That's dumb luck right there.
Dispatch, perfect sight. Moving in.
Suspect northbound. Performance car.
Oh!
I would give you such a wash. Freak.
Dear.
Is he up yet? Artyom, the colonel wants you on the breach. See you later.
Come on, wake up. You did a great job there. We are not home anymore, so we'd all better act like you did. Smoothly.
Stop it already!
Artyom, the colonel's waiting for you on the bridge.
Come here, Artyom. Listen.
Any final words?
Wait. I'm a government official. I'm supposed to be here.
Not anymore, Mr. Lead Archaeologist. Your employment has been terminated.
Please, no.
I won't hurt you. You work for Trinity. What did they find?
Well, they've been searching for a temple entrance for many years. Today they found it. I have to go warn my sister. She's on her way here now.
Jonah, Trinity just tried to kill a local archaeologist.
Oh, God.
I have to find what they're looking for.
This is Commander Rourke. All teams, get ready for Operation Blackout.
Kjotve's warriors crawl through Aval's nest like lice. If they use the main gate, it may attract attention. The Longhouse. The crew should be inside. The Longhouse. The crew should be inside.
Hang on. Stop. Keep that last guessing.
Please, I need your help. I need to speak to you.
You want to talk to an outcast?
I'm desperate for help. Whatever the consequences.
What's the problem then? Trouble with your leg?
Forget about me.